makes it look daylight out.
Yeah.
That's gonna be awesome. I might post a YouTube video about this.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. I have to borrow
That's
some
from
stuff
behind us.
though.
And
How can I see both of them? Well, sorry people on YouTube if I ever make a video about this. Got ya. Oh yeah, and that's my sister Lily. Yeah, I'm gonna just, cause there's a truck. If I see any, I'll just do that. Ah. I'm gonna have to blur out every single car over there. A lot of editing, but it'll be a cool video. Just imagine I drop my phone on the road and it just breaks. I'm gonna have to blow out so much stuff, buddy. I'm gonna be able to see when daylight more next. Oh, not yet. Oh, nope. I don't want to blur out that car. I know I'm making a video about this because I'm already talking. More cars. There's more. By the way, yes, this is loud.
hey,
Hey.
I like them.
Good. I'm gonna make a YouTube video showing people. I'm gonna so that way I can show people. So don't walk in front of the camera. Oh. Well, you know what? Never.